Hey, Amelia here. Let's see what's been happening in the news. A former reality TV star looks set to receive a serious payout after she says she was being bullied on home reno show House Rules. It's the first ruling of its kind here in Australia, and it could lead to some changes to how your favourite reality TV shows are made.
I'm quitting the competition, I'm out.
For a lot of people, reality TV is all about the drama, even the shows that are supposed to be about cooking or renovating houses. Nicole and Fiona are two friends from Victoria who competed on House Rules in 2017, and they were known for being part of that drama. But Nicole said she felt traumatized after being on the show, that she was bullied and harassed behind the scenes and made to look really bad. So she went to the New South Wales Compensation Commission. Channel 7 said because she was a contestant and not an employee, they weren't responsible. But the Compensation Commission disagreed, and Channel 7 will have to pay up. Some reckon it could lead to other reality stars doing the same. Many reality stars over the years have claimed that editing on shows has made them look meaner or different to how they actually are, and it's caused huge backlash in their personal lives. Some argue that's part of the entertainment of the show, and it's why viewers tune in and stay watching. Either way, this news could change how reality TV's made and how its stars are treated. So just like with any reality show, we'll have to stay tuned.
Discovering new islands doesn't really happen that much anymore, but Russia's Navy has just discovered 5. They were revealed by melting glaciers. So far, the Arctic islands are mostly home to polar bears and walruses. The new islands are in Russian territory and will now be given names, presumably Russian ones. Otherwise, I might suggest Amelia Land. Are you one of the hundreds of thousands of Aussie kids getting ready to take part in Music Count Us In? It's a huge event where kids around the country will sing the same song on the same day at the same time. Here's a sneak peek.
The songs are just awesome and they just send good vibes everywhere.
The more music, the merrier. It's really great to be playing with other people.
It makes me feel like happy and it just fills me up with joy.
Hopping along to Canberra now, where the ACT's annual Frog Watch is underway. Darcy and his dad Nat tell us what it's all about. Spoiler alert, it involves watching frogs.
During October, you'll find Darcy and his dad here twice a week.
What do you reckon, just here?
They're surveying the area's frog population.
Me and Dad both like frogs and like the outside world and all the nature and stuff like that.
It's part of the ACT's annual frog census, where more than 200 citizen scientists check out their local ponds for a whole month.
What frog's that, Darth?
Darcy's already a frog expert.
Take your word for it.
The Crinia parensignifera makes an sound and the Crinia signifera makes a sort of tick 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 sound.
But there's something wrong. This year they've had the driest October since Frogwatch first started back in 2002. And it's proving a bit of a problem, because less water means less habitat for the frogs to live in, and their chances of finding a mate start to go down.
Yeah, they're an indicator of how things are going in general. So obviously they need water for their reproductive cycle. So if there's no water, there's no frogs. So, it's a bit of an indicator of what's going on more broadly.
If frog numbers go down, the whole ecosystem could be affected.
It's really important to have them because we can't just remove them out of the system and expect that everything will stay as it was before.
So as the Frogwatch continues, Darcy and his dad Nat are hoping for rain to help their amphibious green friends.
Let's see how we go.
And this next segment's all about something Mum always told me. Clean your room? Don't run with scissors. Oh, stop playing with your food. That's the one. Playing tug of war with your food is a definite no-no at the dinner table, right, Mum? She's not here, but if she was, she'd agree. This red crab was spotted in the Atlantic Ocean taking on not one, but 2 eels who were trying to steal his meal. In the end, Mr. Krabs won. This is Tartu, an adorable 3-month-old lion cub at Denver's zoo. According to keepers, Tartu has a big appetite. He eats about 450 grams of meat a day, but he also loves nibbling on his dad's mane. Luckily, his dad has plenty of hair to go round. And look, it's zoo animals playing with pumpkins again. But these are probably the cutest animals playing with pumpkins yet. Wow, what even is that? While some of these American zoo animals wholeheartedly embraced their spooky treat, others couldn't quite get their head around it. Well, that's it for now, but if you want to see more videos of animals playing with pumpkins, then make sure you subscribe to our channel. Also, if you liked this video, then please give us a big thumbs up, and you can hit that bell button down there so you get notifications every time we upload an episode. Thanks for watching.